Hey guys, good evening. My name is Nealay Patel and I'm a designer here at Jesse James Beats. My job is to bring you fun, quick, innovative projects using the ever fabulous Jesse James Beats. And I hope you were able to catch the last project that we did. Check this out. We made this beautiful owl necklace using this fabulous little tassel. And we even made a wire bird nest up there for him to sit in. Isn't that just fun? We used leather cord to create the necklace rope, so this design does not have a clasp at all, does not need one. And in fact, we even learned how to crimp the ends, as you could see there, using just some crimp covers to make that leather nice and secure. And then as you could see, we just hung some of the beautiful meadowlark beads off of it and then ended it with a beautiful tassel by Leathercord USA. So I thought this was an absolutely fabulous demo, and we had so much fun making it. Now, where can you catch these demos, you ask? A couple different places. Definitely want to tune on Facebook and turn on the notifications because yours truly pops up 3 times a week with a new design every time. You can also check us out on the Jesse James Beats website. So go to www.jessejamesbeats.com and check out the video tutorials. And in there, we have a huge catalog of different tutorials for you guys. Lastly, you can find us on YouTube. So if you go to youtube.com and just search for Jesse James Beats, you'll definitely find us, and we've got a huge catalog on there as well. So please subscribe. I'm excited about today's tutorial. We are gonna make a component, more or less. But this technique I'm excited about because I remember showing it to you guys last year, and I never really got to cover how to make it. So I am going to break it down for you guys, and we are going to use this technique to wire wrap a bead from the Little Boy Blue collection, which I've got sitting in front of me, and I can't wait to show you guys. And we're going to learn how to wire wrap around the bead there. Now, this is a fun technique, not only because it's easy to do, but you could really apply it to any bead that you love. And so check out this as a set. It looks like a cool topographic map to me, and it really adds some dimension that a flat bead has. In this case, these are some wooden or horn beads, and I kind of wanted to add some texture to it, so this was a pretty good idea, I think, and even complete with the little red tassels. And so, excited to show you this. I'm going to actually flip the camera around, and we're going to look at what I have on the workboard. I'm so excited. All right. Okay. Now, if you guys are looking at this beautiful collection, you can see why I'm obsessed with it. This is the Little Boy Blue Inspirations mix. Or design elements, maybe. Have them confused. There's just so many, and in fact, I think I have the design elements in front of me. Speaking of, so I think I'm gonna just dump some of those out because this is quite a collection. Look at all the beads that you get, and in there, you don't get just the beads, but you get this really cool tassel. In fact, I kind of used some of the beads up in previous tutorials, but there's so much here. Cute little charms. Whoops. Isn't that just fun? I think there's just so much here to work with. So it kind of gets daunting on what kind of design I can make with it, but that's my job. You guys, is to bring you new, quick, fun, easy ideas, right? So here I'm just working with to make this, which I'll just set over here so we can keep an eye on it. I'm just going to use 22 gauge wire, and I went ahead and attached a little tassel at the end, and that's what's going to give me my tassel that's right over here. So pretty easy to do. I just did a wire wrap, simple, no big deal, and then just went ahead and attached my little beautiful tassel, this petal tassel, which comes in the Inspirations mix already. And I kind of picked up this guy. He's fun. He's got a little bit of texture, which I love, and I don't know. I think something can be added to it, you know? So that's what I'm going to do. So all I'm going to do to create this is just string my design, or my wire through. Again, this is 22 gauge. And as you can see, it just kind of bumps up there nicely. And just so that my wire wrap loop does not go through that hole, I'm going to use a bead from the Design Elements mix. something smaller. So let's string this guy on. And I'm going to create another wire wrap loop. I'm going to use a couple different pliers to do this. I'm going to use my round nose to form my shape. So let's get this kind of out of the way so we can see. All I'm going to do, actually, before I get to my round nose, this is actually a crimper from Zuron, and I use it all the time. You have no idea how much mileage I've gotten out of these little pliers, but they have a chain nose tip that I am nuts about. It's super fine on top of that, and so I could really get into some great detail work with just those. And if I feel like crimping later on, then I could do it with the same pliers, so can't hate that, right? I just bent my wire into a 90-degree angle, and then I'm just using my round nose to form my wire around it, basically. There we go. And then all I'm going to do is just pinch with my pliers lightly my loop, and then just start to coil the wire around, just like that. And that gives me my simple. So now here's a fun part, because now we get to create all these beautiful little details. And all I'm doing, because this is soft wire, is I'm just going to use my thumb and kind of go around the bead. It's super easy, I promise. Just press up against it and just kind of make your own shape of however you want it to look. You could even stop right there and go back around this way. And you can see it's pretty much forming exactly and staying exactly where I want it. So I love it. You could do this to any bead and make it, I don't know, this kind of reminds me of a Fabergé egg at this point, just because I think the shape of this little bead here. But pretty easy. I mean, I'm already getting some interesting shapes there, and I can continue to kind of work with it and make it, you know, press up against it to make sure it's nice and tight, all those good things, and then just work with the wire to really get my shape here. Pretty fun. As you can see, I'm almost done already. So then to end it, I'm just going to go back around here, and I'll probably just coil it a couple times here at the bottom. I could even wire wrap the bottom part of it to give it some extra texture, but I think this is pretty good. Pretty easy, I would say. If a part just sticks out, what I do is I just kind of keep pressing it and working it in. That way it does start to form against my bead. But as you can see, it's pretty much like done and quick and easy already. So now what I could do is just take a pair of cutters. I'm gonna take this pair of Zuron cutters right here. I'm gonna use these blunt nose cutters, and I'm just gonna tuck my wire ever so slightly into there, and that pretty much creates my beautiful shape. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that just fun? And now I can actually layer some beads on top of this, maybe make this into a necklace. What do you guys think? Might give this a go and see what comes out of it and take a picture of it for you guys. So very easy. I promise you guys have to try this. I had so much fun with it already, and I made it, what, like less than 10 minutes? Oh, just awesome. Okay, I'm gonna flip this camera back around. Hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. That was a lot of fun. I didn't realize how fast that was gonna be, but check it out. Just a fun little like wire wrap, unexpected. It's not just around the bead. It makes this really cool shape and pattern. And I could wear it as an earring, I could wear it as a pendant. Like, there's a lot that could happen with this, so stay tuned for a photo. You never know what's gonna come about it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. You can check it out. You can check out this tutorial and more once we post it in a couple different spots. You can check us out on www.jessijamespeeds.com in the video tutorial section. Definitely find a ton of videos in there featuring yours truly. You can check us out on YouTube, so just go to youtube.com and search for Jesse James Speeds and please subscribe. And lastly, if you love me, which I hope you do, You could check me out in a couple different spots as well. I've got a brand called Beads and Bubbles, and you could just search for it on Facebook and find it. It's a creative beading happy hour that I do once a month. And you could also check both of Jesse James Beads and Beads and Bubbles on Instagram, and please like us. So until next time, guys, I will continue making some fun stuff for you guys to create. Please tune in, and don't forget to turn on the Facebook notifications. And I will catch you again on Thursday. Pretty excited. I've got a good one lined up for that one too. So, all right, keep it creative. I'll catch you again. Bye.